try ko kaya mag-vlogger, i-try ko mag-record siya guys as a vlogger, and I'll try to show it as a vlogger. I-try ko kaya. Alright, okay. Hi guys! Oh my god, I got a butterfly. I don't know why I see that butterfly. I see the butterfly, like, you know what I mean? I saw the butterfly. But of course, there's just, you know, they're around. I could see the butterfly. And then that bird. Yeah. Di kaya mag-vlogger. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. And oh my god. Try ko kayang hindi isipin yung hiya. Like, na minding. Hi guys. Andito pala ako. Nakaupo na minding. Yeah, I'm sitting here na minding to, yeah. Ganun ba mag-vlogger? Baka maging vlogger ako. I'm just oh my god. Like parang itong larong to na nakikita nyo, you know, this is out of my head. I could see that uwak right there. There's an uwak right there. I don't like the bird come out right now. Ay, hindi ko na pala nakikita yung banog. Kasi yung banog, guys, nakita ko yun. Hindi, I don't know. Like, like, is there, like, how do I speak? Yeah. Nakita ko yung banog, guys. I think, I don't know if one time siya. Really closer. I don't know kung apat yun, but the closer I see, dalawa talaga siya. As in, lumapit talaga sa amin yung isa. Hindi ko na nakikita yung banog. Banog versus uwak. Ano siya? Mga apat siya na banog. Kasi dati nakikita ko lang ng banog. Isa lang. Like, I would say, if it's great, yeah, sa amin yun. Totoo talaga ang lahat. Maniwala kayo. Because, maniwala kayo, this is out of, even there's, but, no one's right there. Like, really. So, ang natira na lang ngayon, di ko na nakikita yung banog. Pero nakikita ko siya ngayon, nakita ko ulit siya. For, like, katulad siya ng dati na malayo, na isa lang. Pero yung uwak ngayon, napapansin ko siya. Uwak. But it's crazier that time than today. May ito niya masuka-suka, like you're inside, and then kung wala mo nang galawan, pausip lang muna. Ganun lang siya. And magmamature lang ako. as I need it. As if I don't like, why would I allow? But I would say of this game, good result naman siya. Yeah, may it change, or I don't know if there's ending in here, but I would say good result naman siya. As yeah, good result naman. Welcome to my vlog. I felt like happy today, like I don't know, felt happy, like I don't know how to think it. Sana akong bala. Bang! Oh, adit mo. Kaya pala. Bakit alam ko? Wala, I got the butterfly. Ano, butterfly? I got the bird one. One glad. Bakit kaya alam ko? No? Tama ba yung nalaman ko? Or alam mo? Like, ayaw pala guys, may papakita ko sa inyo. How do I would say, wait lang. Wala, okay, di natin. Iyo! Wait lang, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys. As, kaya alam mo, anong ginagawa ko sa buhay ko? Tama ba yung ipapakita ko sa inyo guys? Ayun. Ayaw ko na.